Okay guys, so today it's another challenging day of my life. So today I'll be solving a Rubik's Cube.
Bruh.
So we're gonna solve it face by face. So those who are beginners in cubing, as you know, we solve it layer by layer, not face by face. So face by face looks like a pretty good method, but it is.
Bruh.
So today I'll be attempting to solve it face by face with no tutorial.
Bruh.
Okay, so I'll use the GAN, so let's go.
Bruh.
Okay, so I've scrubbed the cube light, so let's go. So I'll be solving the first face now. I'm gonna start off with yellow. So for yellow, I can just do this, and I can bring this here, and I can bring this here, and I can bring this here. Now I'm gonna solve my favorite color, which is blue edge first. So now I have to bring this edge here. Okay, I can replace it, so I bring this here, bring this here. I can also bring this here. I can do multitasking, and I can insert this here. Now I'm going to insert the stupid edges, so like that. And where the hell is the other edge? Oh, it's here.
A few moments later.
And okay, we got one corner remaining, which we have to twist. Yay! I solved the cube. Okay. Okay, I have to solve this. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I got the parity. It's like this. This maybe. Let's go. Okay guys, I again have to fix this thing. Okay, the edge is here. I gotta bring it. Okay, I'm not kidding. I am disconnecting this. Bruh! Oh, phew. Finally. I have to fix this again. Okay, I finished the half of this. I need to flip this thing. Okay, I just got the best idea, cause I just realized that everything is on the top. Like literally everything is on the top. So why can't I just pretend like this is some OLL kit? Oh guys, I was just pretending like an OLL and I got this. Let's go. Okay, now we got one corner remaining. Oh my god. Sorry guys. Will you see that, guys? Oh my god. We have solved the three sides of a cube. Oh my god, what shall I do with this? Okay, that same thing, dumb thing, S prime, M prime, mu, U do, and S. You get this? So this is like nothing for me, literally. You can just swap me. Okay, guys, so I just got 3 of them remaining. If I just flip this thing, I'm like sorted face by face. So I solved 3 faces. I need to bring this here, then I can solve the 4th face. Okay, so we got this, and okay. Oh yes, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, let's go. Guys, I kinda solved it face by face. Okay, I don't know that much how to solve it face by face, but at least I solved 3 to 4 faces. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Let's go.
Bruh.
Hey, let's go, guys. I solved it face by face. Let's go.
Look at this dude. Oh, no, 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 no.